Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Death by Chocolate Bundt cake. Let's begin. So to get started on the cake, you'll want to take a large mixing bowl and place in all of the dry ingredients, then give them a good mix together until they are fully combined. Once they're combined, you can then go ahead and add in the wet ingredients, all apart from the boiling water, as we'll add that a little later on. Then you just give it all a good mix until it's fully come together. And once it's come together and you have a kind of thick looking cake batter, you can stop mixing or keep the mix going and just add in the boiling water and mix this in carefully, as you don't want that to splash back at you as it is boiling and it will possibly burn you, so just keep that in mind. But once it's in the mixture, it will not burn you. Go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on, so don't forget to get the very top of the bowl and the very bottom, as this is normally where it will collect, and well, it does for me anyway. Then transfer into your Bundt pan, which has been lined or prepped with some release spread. I found a recipe on Pinterest which I will leave in the blog post, don't forget to check that out, it's also linked down below. Pour the cake batter into there, then place into your preheated oven and bake off for around 45 minutes or until the tester comes out clean. So once the cake is baked, you can make the ganache. Simply take your dark chocolate and your double cream, place them into the same bowl, give them a brief mix, then heat in the microwave on 30-second burst until the mixture is hot enough and mixes and the chocolate melts. I found around about a minute and a half works really well. Then once it's out of the microwave, just keep mixing until it's fully smooth and glossy, looking something like this. Then you can use it straight away. Take your cake and just place it into a piping bag and spread and pipe it over, or you can spread it over, whichever works best for yourself. I went with piping as it gives it that kind of jaggedy edge, looking like a little bit kooky, kind of spider webby. That's what I was going for with this, but I don't know if it looked like that. It just looks a bit messy, but I don't care. And then you can do however much you want. You can add more or less. I added a generous amount, and this was the perfect amount for this cake. It just added the perfect amount of chocolate. And while the ganache is still tacky, you can go ahead and finish it off with some Halloween sprinkles. I brought these ones from Flying Tiger, but I think you'll be able to get some sprinkles from wherever. Probably online is best if you're looking out of season, but yeah, because I'm making this cake in June, so keep that in mind that I'm using stock from last year, but that you might not be able to get this year. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.